everyone. I look like one of those Lhasa Apsos. We're about to start the Hai Van Pass. I'm in my Jeep with my friends. And obviously we went out last night. I don't look and sound like this normally. Wow. Wow. Bye bags. Hope you get there safely. We'll be young forever. The Hai Van Pass, also known as the Ocean Cloud Pass, is an approximately 21 kilometers long mountain pass on National Route 1 in Vietnam. Its name refers to the mists that rise from the sea, reducing visibility.
What a bill! What a bill! What a bill!
It traverses a spur of the larger Annamite Range that juts into the East Sea of Vietnam on the border of Da Nang and Tra Tin Huay province. Historically, the pass was a physical division between kingdoms of Champa and Dai Viet. We have arrived at our restaurant for our free lunch included in the TruTravels tour. That Hai Van Pass so far has been absolutely amazing. I can't even believe that this is Vietnam. I know my hair is something else right now, but that completely blew me away. I wasn't expecting anything as beautiful as that, and it's not even over yet. We're by the sea for lunch, and then after he told us to put our bikinis on earlier, so I've got my bikini on. We'll take a little sunbathe, a little swim. I brought my book. The world is our oyster. What a good day. How beautiful is this restaurant as well? I know we've also got a free drink. I'm having my first Fanta of the holiday. I forgot how much I love Fanta. I think this has been the best day so far. I thought yesterday was my favourite day, but today has been the best day so far. We've just got off this boat and we are heading to do a cooking class. Very excited. Let's see what we make. This place looks super cute.
What's the meaning of the inside cooking class? Who is our teacher? Who is our chef? Introduce to you, Miss Me.
My name is Me. M.Y.
We have to pair up, so unfortunately I've got this one as a cooking partner.
This one. I'm head chef. That's an obvious. That's
no, we're actually big cook, little cook now.
we use the fish sauce, but from the soya. So don't worry, it's not the mega fish, it's the soya, like soya sauce. We have cooking oil, brown sugar. This is the virgin powder. It's made from mushroom.
Why are you laughing? Can't do anything right.
You have to make it fast when it's burning because I don't get it burned.
We're putting the pineapple, mushroom and tomatoes in. This is aubergine for later. Lauren, you're doing such a good job while I film. Don't really know what it is. They told us everything we're going to make at the start, but I've forgotten. It just looks like some sort of vegetable-y thing, but it smells so good in here. Dish number 2. We don't know what this is.
I'm gonna guess it's a mixing chewing roll.
Lauren's been given a glove. She's head chef with the glove. You're basically kneading a spring roll.
Yeah, the pressure.
And then
Still need one. You can do make one small one.
this is our morning glory. We've been given this contraption to shred it. So you push it through and then we go and it comes out the top, and then when it gets to the end you pull it out like this. How cool is that? I think they said this is the sauce for the spring roll.
A little kit for our house.
We've got chili, sugar, vegetarian fish sauce, garlic, lime.
And then a tiny little thing that looks like a lime. I'm not really sure what it was though.
Yeah, we've got a big lime and a little lime. She's so cute. We've got mushroom, oil, some black pepper, a little bit of mushroom powder, our tomatoes, our lemongrass and our tofu. This is all of our meal. We've got our spring rolls, our tofu with tomato sauce, our vegetables in there with some rice, that's the pineapple-y, mushroomy one, and then this is our morning glory salad. It all smells so good. I am starving. It's time to dig in. Everyone's all got their stuff on the table. We've got the river view. This is lovely. Lauren's trying the spring roll.
Do you want to sit here?
Is it good? I'm so excited. That cooking class was amazing. So accommodating with the veggie food. We had vegetables, we had tofu. All the flavours just like jump out at you and everything is so fresh. I love the taste of the fruit and veg in Asia. I feel like even if we recreate that at home, which they made us write down our emails so that they can send us the recipes later on email, which is great. But also I feel like even if we do make it at home, it just won't taste the same. Obviously we're veggie, there are 6 veggies in our group and also one girl that is gluten free who brought her own soy sauce. Now we are just making our way to the supermarket because tonight we have got the overnight train from Hue to Ninh Binh, which is on a train that is over 100 years old, and we're not getting fed or anything. We need to bring our own snacks like wet wipes and probably some tissues for a toilet roll as well. There's going to be like a cabin of like 6 people. We have our own cabins, but there are 6 people in each cabin. Wait and see what this train is like, but we need to make sure that we are stocked up so that we have everything ready for it. We actually haven't seen that much of Hue, so also by walking around a little bit, got an hour before we need to leave for the train, so walking around a little bit, getting the supermarket, seeing the last of Hue, and then on to Ninh Binh. We didn't really get to see much of Hue, just walked to the shop and back. I've done my laundry, so I need to get it back off the lady, empty all my stuff out on the floor and repack my bag basically. But we were saying that Hue seems like a really good mix of like touristy backpacker things to do, but also like more laid back. Like there's still some things going on, but it's not like Ho Chi Minh City or anything. I wish we spent a little bit longer. I've boarded the train and I don't have any room to sit up. This is my bunk. Welcome to my bunk. This is Lauren's bunk. And we have 4 other cabin mates. Here we are. This is Chloe. This is Michelle. We've got Olivia making use of our standing time. But the view is quite nice. Got a little table, some floral decor. They've brought a baguette. Yes, this is the situation. We just spent about half an hour trying to put all of our bags under the bunks. So now we are making beds. Mine was already made, so I'm hoping it was just clean from last time. Chloe and Michelle are wiping down. They're very thorough. This is me for the next 11 hours. I've just gotten down from my bunk. So this is our room. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we head out into the hallway. We squeeze past the roof. Up here we have Kevin. Hi Kevin.
Hi, welcome to the train, Vietnamese train. Hope that you like it.
Can you tell us a bit about the train, please?
Oh, okay. We have for the train we have 3 types. We have the sitting train, we have the sleeping one, and in the sleeping we separate it to 2. One is 4 beds in one cabin and 6 beds in one cabin. And we are in 6 beds in one cabin.
Yeah.
Yes.
TruTravels needs to up their budget and get us the 4 one.
We don't talk about it.
Oh, we don't talk about it.
Remember that tomorrow you will see the view.
Apparently Ninh Binh is good for the fly cam or the drone. Got some seats to enjoy the view. Oh, this is the cabin with the party. It's 3:23. We're off the train onto a bus. Good morning everyone, it is now 11:15. We have checked into our rooms here in Ninh Binh. Got where we were for a second, but we've got little like bungalows and me and Lauren have snagged just one for the 2 of us, which is great. But we've had a bit of a lie-in this morning because of last night. I thought I would do a quick room tour and then explain what we're doing today. So like I said, it's a little bungalow. So there's my bed, there's Lauren's bed, and then we've got a little fridge and chairs over here. Not too big, but it does everything that we need it to do. It was quite comfortable last night, and we've also got a little bathroom in here. Just basically like one big wet room with a shower down there and everything that you need. So that is the room tour. We are staying at the Tam Kok Central Bungalows in Ninh Binh. Ninh Binh has been known as, it's called like the Halong Bay on land. Whenever we step outside the bungalow, it immediately looks like something out of Jurassic Park. This is crazy. There's like all these amazing mountains and pieces of land that just like jut straight up into the air, kind of a bit like if you've seen pictures of Railay Beach in Thailand, but it just looks incredible. So lush, so green. So lucky we're here this time of year because it's especially green, and all the Vietnamese people are like floating by on their boats with their little hats on. It just looks like something from another world. Hopefully I can fly my drone, but it's looking quite cloudy and misty in Ninh Binh ever since Hue. Actually we had good weather in Hoi An, but when we did the Golden Bridge and in Hue, things have been a little bit misty. So I don't know if the visibility is going to be great. I don't know what the drone will even see because I can't put it up that high because I don't want to lose sight of the drone. But if I can get anything at all, it will just be gorgeous because this is just another landscape. I can't wait for you guys to see it. Train wasn't too bad actually, just like one big sleepover, and I stayed up to like 9:30, 10:15, played card games, and then we just sat in the hallway just like talking, playing music. I'm just sat here editing this video and I realised that I never ended it, so I'm gonna hop on and end it now. I'm gonna cut it off here because I want to keep Ninh Binh and Halong Bay in one video, so I'm sorry it's a bit shorter, but that is this week's video. Hope you enjoyed. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time for a brand new video. Bye guys!